Alright, Mark Hoffman, body check. ODI soft grips. No barn right here. ODI barn. Steve's. Premium sub 10 V2 stem. It's alright. Does the job. Got some shitty top cap. Some fit shivs. Shitty paint job. Odyssey Vendero 2 hub. Laced to a quadrant. Pretty sick. 2 steel pegs in the front. Yeah. Mini glams, V2. It's alright. Down my seat. Got a demolition seat. Not even ripped. Got some Odyssey Trail Mix pedals. Some United cranks. Shitty color. The Federal 28.2 sprocket. Rocking 28.9. I have no idea what chain this is. Got a Shadow half link on there. Pretty sick. Laced, got a KT radio hub. Laced to a Alienation 440. Another steel peg. Rocking on the fit Eddie Cleveland frame.